In a quiet village, nestled among green rice fields and a gentle river, lived a kind little girl named Mira. She shared a small wooden house with her grandma, surrounded by a wide yard full of lush plants and trees. Mira was known throughout the village for her cheerful and helpful nature. Each morning, she would sweep the yard, water the plants, and help her grandma prepare their meals, all while listening to the sweet songs of the birds. One warm afternoon, as Mira was cleaning the yard, she heard a faint sound. Chirp, chirp. She paused her sweeping and looked around. There, near the base of a tall mango tree, a small bird lay on the ground, its tiny wings trembling. "Oh no," Mira whispered, gently picking it up. She saw that one of its wings was hurt. "Don't worry," she said softly. "I'll take care of you." Mira rushed inside and found a small box, which she lined with a soft cloth. She carefully placed the bird inside, giving it a few drops of water and some crushed grains of rice. That evening, she told her grandma what had happened. "You did the right thing, Mira," her grandma said with a warm smile. "Kindness, even to the smallest creatures, always finds its way back." Every day, Mira cared for the little bird. She fed it, changed the cloth in its box, and spoke to it like a friend. "Get well soon, little one. The sky is waiting for you," she would say. Days turned into weeks, and slowly the bird's wing grew stronger. It began hopping round the box and flapping its wings. One morning, Mira saw the bird trying to fly. She felt a mix of happiness and sadness. "I think you're ready," she said gently. Mira carried the box outside to the mango tree where she'd found the bird. She carefully lifted it into her hands. For a moment, it stayed still. Then, with a strong flap of its wings, it soared into the air. It circled above Mira's head once, then twice, as if to say thank you. Mira waved and smiled, her heart feeling a little empty as she watched her friend go. That night, Mira sat with her grandma under the stars. The air was cool and quiet. Suddenly, a familiar sound filled the air. Chirp, chirp. She looked up to see the same little bird flying above their yard. But this time, it wasn't alone. A whole flock of birds followed, flying together in a beautiful pattern across the night sky. Mira laughed in surprise. "Grandma, look!" Her grandma smiled knowingly. "It seems your little friend has returned." The birds danced in the air for a while before disappearing into the night. The next morning, Mira woke up early to sweep the yard. But when she stepped outside, she gasped. The entire yard was covered with colorful flowers she had never seen before: bright red, sunny yellow, deep purple, and soft blue. They bloomed around the trees, along the fence, and even near the doorstep. Grandma Mira called excitedly. Her grandma came out, her eyes wide with amazement. "These flowers weren't here yesterday," Mira said. Her grandma chuckled. Sometimes nature has its own way of saying thank you. Myra smiled, remembering the little bird. From that day on, their yard became the most beautiful in the village. People would stop just to admire the incredible flowers. When they asked Myra how she grew them, she would simply smile and say, "A small act of kindness can grow into something wonderful." Myra learned that helping others, no matter how small, can bring the most unexpected and beautiful blessings. And whenever she heard the birds singing, she would look up at the sky and remember her little friend who taught her this very important lesson. Thank you for watching, and remember to spread kindness wherever you go.